knowledge in kitchen appliance repairs is over 35 years of experience. With Aloha Assist Service, you will receive the best service and support. Aloha Assist Service is licensed, bonded, and insured for your protection. Our friendly and experienced technicians are all background checked and will work hard to win your trust. At Aloha Assist Service, we strive to do this by providing a quick repair experience done right the first time. We will work with you and your schedule to complete the repair promptly. When your appliance needs repair, call Aloha Assist Service. You can place your service request online, or check your job status on our website aloharepairservice.com.